Have you ever noticed one person yawns and suddenly everyone around starts yawning too? This isn't coincidence. It's actually your brain at work. Scientists believe yawning is contagious because of mirror neurons. These neurons activate when you watch someone else perform an action, almost like your brain is copying them. Yawning is even more contagious between friends and family, showing it's linked to empathy. Kids under 4 and people with certain neurological conditions are less likely to catch yawns, which supports the brain connection theory. So, contagious yawning isn't about being sleepy. It's your brain syncing with others.